Welcome back to Ayaz Tech. In this video, I will show you that how you can deploy your Next.js project on GitHub Pages by using GitHub Actions. So this is really simple, straightforward and quick method. So let's begin. First of all, you have to install your Next.js project from scratch if you don't have it already. So I don't have this project, so I will create it from scratch. For that, type npx create next app, press enter. And after that, select your option and add the name of your project. I will use this. TypeScript yes, ESLint yes, tailwind CSS yes, source directory yes, app router yes. So also this, and this will take some time to install the project. Meanwhile, we will go ahead and we will create our new GitHub repository. If you have it already, then just leave it. If you don't have it, then you have to create it from scratch. So just follow this and create the repository and copy this command. We will add our GitHub remote origin in our project. The project has been installed, so go to your project directory, that is cd my-app3, and open this project in your editor. I will use VS Code. Now here, open your terminal, and in the terminal paste the command that you just have copied to add your origin. After that, you have to make some changes, minor changes. You have to add a configuration here if you are using app router. So as we have selected app router while installing this application, so you must have to add this configuration, otherwise your build will fail in GitHub build process. So after that, if you are using absolute paths in your project anywhere, make sure to replace them with the relative path. So for example, in the image tag, I'm using absolute path like this. So instead of that, you have to put // so that it could be relative path. Similarly, I'm using it somewhere else as well here. So just put dot again. So after that, that's it. I will just commit my changes and push them to the GitHub. Okay, after it is done, just go back to your repository, reload it to see the new files and changes. And now click on the setting button, and in the setting, click on the pages. From there, select the source. From the source drop down, click on the GitHub Actions. Here you will notice that it has automatically detected the Next.js framework. So just click on the configure button, and it will give you a ready-made Next.js YAML file for the GitHub action. So normally you don't have to make any change in this YAML file, but you have opportunity to edit this file if you want to customize it. So for me, I don't have to make any change. I will just use it as it is. Just click on the commit changes and commit it. After that is done, go to the actions, and here you will see that it has started to deploy your changes. So if you click on the build, you can monitor the build process. So it has installed the dependencies. It is now building the Next.js application. So after build process is done, it will export the static HTML and it will upload the artifact. And after it is done successfully, it will show you green tick icon. Build is done. Now it is deploying your website to GitHub Pages. So it is fully automated. You don't have to come here and monitor it every time. It will be deployed automatically. Whenever you commit and push your changes, it will automatically take those changes and it will build and deploy for you automatically. So as you can see that it has been deployed, you can click on the setting button and go back to the pages, and there you will find the live public URL that you can use to view your website. Click on this button and you can see that your Next.js application is live and running successfully. So in this way, you don't need any other server like AWS or Google Cloud or things like that. You can just deploy your project on GitHub Pages. And in case if you want to add some variables, you can just go to the setting, you can click on the secrets, and you can add your variables. These variables would be available during the build process. You can use them to make implementation in your build process. I hope that this video is useful for you. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon if you want to get notified for all of my upcoming videos, and also please like and share this video. Thanks for watching. See you next time.